Hello everyone. Welcome to Goodwill Gate to IIT. Okay, so guys, this lecture I'm preparing a very short video just to answer all the questions related to online crash course because we are already in the time frame of November and we hardly have 3 months left, and the online crash courses are about to begin. So mostly students have very repetitive doubts how the crash course will work, or like, is it possible to cover entire syllabus within this duration of time? Will I be scoring, or I'll be clearing the gate exam, or how much I can score, how much time is needed, all these questions here and there. So I just want to answer all questions in one shot. How the crash course works, what are the things students need to do, what are the points we need to focus more on, all these questions I'll be answering very quickly. So we have an online crash course coming up. The first batch is coming up on 31st October. I'll be sharing all the details, and this is typically for aerospace students who are appearing for 2023. All right. Uh, I'll try to answer each like all the questions whichever is possible. Apart from this, if anything is needed, you can definitely contact me or my entire team on these numbers. You can WhatsApp, call, anything is fine. There are more details published on website also, so anything is fine, and you can get your doubts cleared. All right. So as I mentioned, the first batch we are commencing on 31st October. This is the first batch for online crash course. I suggest, if you're planning to like attend our classes in the end, maybe you have done self-study, or maybe you have done some attended already classes from some people, or like whatever the mode you have used to prepare for Gate Aerospace. If you are planning to like give a final touch to your preparation, you can start with 31st October. There will be batches later also, but time will be less, and hence less details will be covered in those batches. This will be the entire syllabus coverage of whatever Gate Aerospace syllabus we have. All right. So the first important point is we are commencing on 31st October. That is Monday. All right. Timing and all we will discuss in detail. Before going further, because you should know what we are doing and what we'll be facing in 2023 Gate exam. So IIT Kanpur will be conducting the exam. So when we prepare any model test paper or guest paper or pre-gate exams, or what we'd say full mock exams, we should keep IIT Kanpur in focus. The reason being, the pattern will be kind of similar. The standard, or the if IIT Kanpur aerodynamic numericals are very high standard, you can expect same thing in 2023 also. So previous years 2017, 2022, whatever IIT Kanpur has done, we try to look into those things, aspects, and try to focus more. All right, I'll tell you the details of crash course. So this is an entire summary. It looks very bulky, but I'll just quickly try to explain this. Entire gate syllabus will be covered, so nothing will be left out. We'll be doing all core subjects: propulsion, structures, aerodynamics, flight mechanics, space mechanics, and maths and aptitude. So nothing will be left out. I'm not saying any core, non-core topics. Everything will be covered in this. All theory, derivation, all important points to remember, all the formulas, gate questions, another numericals to practice. Everything will be included in the classes itself. That's what I have written here in online live classes. Everything, whatever is possible, will be covered in online live classes. In case a student miss something, he or she is not able to attend any class because these are online mode, so maybe network issue or something, whatever maybe the causes, you can get the recorded session of that particular class, or if student likes, they can get the entire series in one shot. So you have the entire around 200 hours of lectures already uploaded in crash course format. If you want, you can get it, or you can get that particular lecture also. That depends upon students. Another thing which you should have for time being, because at this time you can't be reading all the entire textbooks. You can't go for Megson for structures and Broon, and for propulsion you cannot read complete Cohen and Rogers, Mattingly. For aerodynamics you cannot read John D. Anderson, Clancy. It's not possible. So you will get study material which will be in hard copy forms and will be sent to your address. So you will get all these 7 subject books in hard copy form. Apart from this, I will show you in more detail in next slide. You will also get a handbook apart from these 7 books, and the handbook will include everything related to aerospace in concise form. So good to have it just to quickly revise. You will also get online test series in which there are 2 things which I am focusing now. There are 200 plus online tests. This portal is exactly, when you log it into it, your exam portal and your gate exam portal and your test series portal are exactly same, color coding and everything. Mark the option, review it later. Every option will be same. So when you appear in your gate exam, you will be familiar, and you will have virtual calculator. So you need to increase your speed accuracy in the actual format. This is completely online. All right, this covers all topic wise, subject wise, everything. And apart from this, assignments. Now, this is a new thing which I have added recently. The reason being, whatever topic we'll be going to do in our live classes, the same topic, when it is done, we'll be solving numericals on assignments. Now this is in PDF form, and I'll be sharing this in our doubt clearing WhatsApp groups. So once you have done a topic, you need to solve these assignment sheets. This is very important. This is just to make you prepare for the worst cases, solving more numericals, questions, theory. You will be in a better position to appear for your gate exam. Timing wise, because this is online, and I've seen people, they are working, or mostly people are like in fourth year, they have some college classes, other commitments. So we are doing this in 5 days in a week. All right, when I say 5 days in a week, Monday to Thursday is what we're going to fix it, and one is class we have kept on Saturday. Now, with the remaining days, which is Sunday and Friday, I'll come to that. We will be talking about doubt clearing sessions on those days. All right. So, because the whole intent of this course is to make your concepts clear, basics clear. Some of you already have some idea. Some of you are starting your preparation. So everyone should get an advantage. In the end, your doubt should be cleared. So we'll be focusing specifically for doubt clearing sessions on those 2 days. I'll go into detail quickly. I'll wrap it up. So the format will be, you'll be attending classes. All right, with the faculty, you will ask your doubts. Faculty will finish the subjects. In class itself, you'll be solving all previous year gate questions. This is mandate because I have already discussed in my previous videos, 60 to 70% of your gate exam will be repeated from previous years. So in 2023 also, you can expect 60 to 70% of previous year questions repeated, with change in numbers and some trick here and there, but it is almost repeated. These two things are done in class. Then student will log in into the test series portal and get the assignments. We will finish this, and once you have this, we will discuss all whatever doubts you have in all possible modes. You can post your simple doubts in WhatsApp group. You can request for a live class, means live session. You can request for a video of that particular topic. There are multiple ways of clearing your doubts. Just for reference, I've kept it. So when we'll be doing these live classes, right, we'll be focusing, keeping the weightage in mind. So when I say weightage in mind, this is a very rough estimate. Overall, 2007 till 2022, if I'll give an average of marks, right, this is what, sometimes maths is what, 12 marks and something like this you expect. What I'm trying to tell you is, when let's say we start with structures. So when you start with structures, it has multiple topics. All right, what are the topics? It has vibration, it has basic elasticity. All right, it has bending, it has torsion, it has columns, it has theory of failures. Now, what I'm trying to tell you is, if you see these three topics, right, out of these 23, these topics will cover around 15 to 17 marks. So what I'm saying is, we'll be spending more times in these three topics first. I'm not saying we'll be leaving these topics. No, we're not going to leave these topics. We will going to do it, but we'll be focusing more first on this, finish this. Let's say, for example, we go to propulsion. We finish jet propulsion and rocket propulsion there, which will cover around 10 to 12 marks in your gate exam. And later, once these two heavy topics are done, we'll go to axial flow compressor, centrifugal flow compressor. We'll go to the remaining topics, axial flow turbines, something. All right. Same thing with aerodynamics. If you say 90 to 20 marks, gas dynamics is a huge portion. Fluid mechanics is continuously asked repetitively, very much in your gate exams now. Similarly, and for all the topics, we need to definitely focus on aptitude and maths part, because these marks are actually gifted. To be very precise, when someone asks, sir, is it possible to clear the exam within these days? Yes. The reason being, if you sum up these, right, this is your qualifying marks. So even though you have not touched your aerospace domain, right, you have not touched this part, still you should be in a position to solve aptitude and maths and clear your gate exam. After that, whatever you're doing in your core is actually adding marks into you. I'm not saying anything related to how much marks we need. Roughly, I'm saying very roughly, if you take an average of 4 years, if I say 50 marks, you're talking about, let's say, 100 rank. So it's not a big huge task. I already shown you this is 26, right? 2015 and 11, typically 27, because maths will go for 12 marks also. So you are already clearing the gate exam and it's easy. It's possible. What are the whole process, how, what should be done, how it should be done? Nothing. You just need to fill one form, pay using any online mode that we can discuss individually also once you are in contact, and we are done. Your portals will be created in within 5 minutes. Your test series, your video portal, your books will be dispatched same day, and you will be added in the group and your class will start. So there is no lag in any of this. You will be quickly and the same day starting your preparation within 5 and 10 minutes. All right. Now, when I say study material details, sorry for this is just got cropped a bit. It's fine. Anyhow, we have the content. So, as I already told you, I will be sending all the books, including a handbook. This is the aerospace handbook, what we have designed for aerospace students. You will get this in hard copies, all the 7 subjects, and you will have these material ready with you. You need not to search for content in different books, textbooks, Google or nothing. You have the content ready. You just need to quickly revise and like have the proper revision. Same thing, test series and assignment details. Once you go here, you can see I already mentioned this, that your test series portal will be created in 5 minutes. You have 200 plus tests, 80 plus assignments. And the important part is that all your tests will be covering all the possible questions. Now, multiple select questions added recently in your gate exam. Multiple choice is like very much repeated numerical answer type. Whatever type you have properly covered in your test series portal. I've just taken a snapshot, very short snapshot, just to show how the portal looks like once you log in into this. This is not an actual test. This is just to show you. You will have all these color codings, how which question you have answered. This you will find in your gate exam also. Virtual calculator, exactly like your gate format. Answer it and go to the next question. So you'll be practicing once you open your actual gate exam, right? In Feb, you will not be surprised like what has happened. You have already practiced in this portal with these calculators, so your speed will be good, your accuracy will be good, and it will be helpful for you in the coming days. All right. And any information you need, feel free to contact us on this number. You can definitely call anytime. You can WhatsApp. You can visit the website. Anything, whatever is needed, you please let me know. We can discuss this. We can have discussions on this. Now, this is, I am trying to keep it as short because this is the thing which people usually ask. How much time, what will be covered? Is it fine? Is it time sufficient? It is definitely possible, guys. I have seen people coming into crash course and even getting into top 20 rank. So keep this in mind. It's a quick revision. I don't expect everyone to prepare for the entire year and then only they can score. No, even if you're starting, it's fine, but don't delay much. 3 months is a sufficient time to score good, really, really good in your gate exam. So give it your best shot, give it a try. Definitely, it will help you in other aspects also. It will help you in your interview preparations. You're revising everything in very short duration. It will help you in your written exams, whatever different exams you're having, like from last 2 years, HAL exams are coming. So just give it a try, give your best shot. Anything, please feel free to contact on these numbers which are mentioned here. All right. Thank you so much, guys.